Hi there, my name's Simon. I'm the owner and founder of DCI Industries. And if you're interested in doing subcontracting work for us, then let me give you a bit of a walkthrough of the kind of thing that we need from a subcontractor.
We have three system sizes in our SIAB range. We have our SIAB Ultimate, which are our container-based systems. We have our SIAB Premium, which are our flagship product based with the SMA inverter system again. And then we have our little baby units, which are our SIAB Plus systems. And these are based around a Victron inverter base. So what makes our SIAB systems unique is that they are 100% pre-built, pre-tested, ready to go, ready to power up before they ever leave our workshop, which means a lot of the hard work from an installer's point of view has already been taken care of. This means there's no commissioning, there's no issues with trying to set up Wi-Fi networks or do firmware updates. That's all been done. The system is literally ready to just power up and you're good to go. So here's what we need from a subcontractor. So we need you to install the solar panels, connect the cabling to the gland plate on our system that's already fit off with MC4 connectors. We need you to connect either the industrial plug connection or a hardwired connection on the larger systems for the AC output from the system. And we also need you to connect the generator. Directions will be given to you when you do your installation. And that's it. Take the STC photos, provide the electrical certificate, provide the installation photos, and your job is done. So if you'd like to do quality off-grid solar installations and get paid at your own rates, then fill out the form and let's get in touch. The way it works is once you've completed onboarding with us, we will let you know when there are jobs in your area. You would simply accept or reject the job. We will pay you to go and do a site inspection. From that site inspection, you will provide us with a quote of what it would take for you to complete that installation based on the scope of works. And then if the job goes ahead, you will get that job at your rates, a job you've already seen, so that there are no surprises. If it sounds good, fill out the form. We'd love to hear from you. Best of luck and hope to talk to you soon.